Last we have is a custom machine actually. It was an application that we got from one of our customers that are here today. For cleaning rotors, auxiliary power units, effectively, there's 2 to 3 of these things on an aircraft. They're notoriously difficult to clean. You can see the geometries in there are quite complex on that cut-through model that we've got there. And every so many flying hours, these things have to be cleaned. It takes to strip one of these things down and take out all the carbonaceous smuts and oils and greases that get in there. It was taking about 3 days on the bench for engineers to actually do that. So we developed this small machine that runs under vacuum, that physically immerses the products. We have a pressure gator in there where we push solvent right the way through the inner cores. We resonate with ultrasonics on the outside. And we've taken what was a 3-day job and we've reduced that down to sort of between 20 minutes and 30 minutes to clean one of these rotors. They fire these things up to about 3,000 RPM. And these were balancing back out again, showing that the rotor was very, very clean inside after that period of time. So that's a custom machine. Just gives you some sort of idea of the diversity of the applications that we get involved with. There's lots more, but this kind of gives you an idea of what we're up to.